It is guaranteed, based on the statistics, that there are so many people that have the technical skill set in the businesses they own, but they don't know how to operate the actual business. Here's how to own a business without actually understanding the industry. First, you just have to find somebody that knows what they're doing in the business. It is guaranteed, based on the statistics, that there are so many people that have the technical skill set in the businesses they own, but they don't know how to operate the actual business. Just because you don't understand the technical aspect, you just simply need to understand marketing, sales, leadership. Let the technicians be the technicians and you can be the builder. It doesn't matter if you have experience in that industry or not. If a technician who's struggling to run a business is generating $1, $2, or $3 million in revenue, and you come in and you help take over the business side, you don't need to know the industry, you need to know all the other elements: marketing, sales, people, finance. Trust me, I've bought and built businesses that I didn't even know how they operated. I just looked at the fact they generated a lot of money. Buying a business is not difficult and does not require you to actually understand the underlying business. It does require you to be smart enough to make sure somebody understands how to do the underlying business until you can learn to do it. But any business making money with someone who's not focused on the business and on making money can outperform its current state by having somebody focus on the business side of the business. Look, I bought lots of businesses I didn't know anything about. I've bought technology businesses, I've bought HVAC businesses, I've bought healthcare businesses. I didn't know anything about how to stick a needle in somebody's arm without making them cry, but I bought businesses that had experts that could do it. So at the end of the day, it isn't necessarily about knowing exactly how to do the what. Sometimes if you want to create massive value, it's knowing how to do the how, the who, and the why, and putting it together with the what.